how to share Google Forms with other teachers. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our browser right here and go into docs.google.com, and then you will be in this page. So once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to just create a new form. So just click a blank form right there. So if you already have a form, you can just use it. So let's say, for example, that this is the form that you want to share. Now, if you want to share it and you want the teachers to respond into your questions, then you can click the publish button right here and then click publish again. And then once you do that, just click on it again and then just click the copy responder link. So they will be the responder into your form. However, if you want to add your teachers right there and you want to give them access to also edit the form, then all you have to do is to just go here and click this share icon, which is right here. So just click on that. And then once you click that, you will now be able to see people with access. Now for the editor view, so this is where we're going to add your teacher. So let's say, for example, that we want to add this one right here, right there. So what we're going to do is to just put the email, and then beside that, you will see that we can choose if we want them to be a responder or an editor. So what we're going to do is to just choose them as an editor. And then if you want to notify it, then you can also enable that. But if you don't want to, you can just leave it as it is. And then you can click the share button. And then once you click that, all you have to do is to just, of course, copy the link. So what we're going to do is to copy the link right there and then just send it into your teacher. And then once they click it, they will now be able to edit it as well. So that is basically it. So once again, that is how to share Google Forms with other teachers.